Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A33 from 2020, and let me show you how to block a number or a contact actually. So this is why I said it, because you've got two different options to choose from. You can block a contact directly from your contact list, or block a number by inserting it manually. So of course I will show you both options. Let's begin with opening the dialer, and let's begin with the contact list. So let's find the contact you want to block and tap on it. Now let's choose this three dots icon, and as you can see here we've got block numbers option, so let's tap on it simply. I don't want to report it as a spam, so untick this option, and if you are ready, tap on block. And as you can see, from now on this number is blocked, so it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, you can unblock it from this level. Just tap on the three dots icon again, and here let's tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. And now let's get back, and on the second option it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. You can simply tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings, and now let's tap on blocked numbers. As you can see here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. If you want to add another number manually, just tap on add a phone number, and here you can manually type the number you want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any calls or text messages from that number. What's more, we've got cool feature which is called unknown option, and it's at the very top of the list, and it means that after activating it, your device will block calls from unidentified callers. So let me turn it on by tapping on this switcher. Of course, we can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to them. Tap on unblock, and as you can see, it also immediately disappears from the blacklist. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.